And we're back. These I just got in the mail. I'm really excited. I've been waiting forever for 177 because I primarily shoot 10 meter. And I'm not very good at it, but I enjoy it. It's just easy to do in the house. And I've heard good things about this company, and this finally they've released 177 caliber. So I'll have to give them a go. This is no advertisement or anything. I just wanted to maybe show some people out there who also want to try them out. They weren't cheap. I think on Pyramid Air they were like 18 bucks or something. They look pretty good though. I mean, I'll show you a comparison. I have a few others to show. One thing that is different than any other pellet I've had thus far is that little circle on the head. And maybe that's the lead wire they swaged them with, but I've never seen some kind of marking like that from any other pellet. So I'll give those a go. They're packaged pretty nice. Foam insert. And there might be a foam on the bottom too, but threaded lid, which is cool. I like that. I don't like these pull top ones, which I'll go over, but I'll show you some older ones. I got so many pellets. Oh my God, I have so many unopened that I only grabbed a few. These are some old Meisterkugeln, if I said that right. RWS. This is how they came. I think these might be from the 80s. I had these floating around. And if I can open this without exploding. And it's a cool case. You could even reload it. They're held in by this little keeper. It's kind of a little plastic. I'm sure they'll break if they're like little feet. These, a little bit of oxidation, not too bad. I'd still shoot those. I don't think it hurt anything. And I think you can just, if you wanted to, you can reload it. Push it back in there. It's a cool design though, how they just kind of fit in between each other. 95 cents for 100. So yeah, that's about less than a penny a shot. But these were like the match grade of their era. And then you have kind of another version, special match. I don't know what's up with the squirrel. They always used to put that on their these might be 90s because it says made in Germany instead of made in West Germany. And, yeah, it says made in Germany too. And this one is foam packaged. Is it 2-layer? Yeah, 2 layers. And also R10s come. These have shot real well for me. I've done well with Meisterkugelns. That's a good reliable 10 meter pellet, which I have even another like older can here. And you can tell kind of by the age. Yeah, you can see I just buy the scratch and dent stuff, no big deal. So there was a time in the early 90s, they had changed the recipe, I think later in the early 2000s. So these are very dark. They almost look like they have some kind of graphite coating or something. If you buy them now, they're very shiny, but the older ones are like black. But these shoot really well. I think, in my opinion, my luck, I've shot better with their older pellets in my 300S than with their newer stuff. Maybe it's just the barrel, but it seems to prefer the older ones. And so, yeah, I have a few floating around. And then you got some Nygords. So these are RWS, Dynamite Noble. They make the R10s, which here's some R10s. These always have shot real well for me too. I don't know if these are open. Yeah, these are open. So the newer Meisterkugelns, I think really the Meisterkugelns and the R10s are really the same pellet. It's just these might have better QA. So this is like a controlled batch of Meisterkugelns. This might be just a mixed bag. And this is probably sorted more for QA. That's just my opinion. I'm not sure on that. I'd like to know. But these are really good. My guns really shoot well with these. These are very clean. I could shoot really good groups. And it didn't seem to matter, like lot to lot or 10 to 10. So I like those. These are basically just H&N, like Finale Match, just rebranded. I kind of collect pellets too. I should do a little collection video, but I have so many. Oh my god. But these, I don't think they make anymore. But they were made by H&N. So again, this was for Don Nygaard. He was an American shooter. And more or less though, these are H&N Finale Match, which are really the same as these. These are marked Beeman, but it's actually H&N. These are older. I think these were before Finale Match brand, but these were basically their H&N Match wad cutters. I bet they might be slightly different. One thing I noticed about H&Ns, so on the skirt, on the inside, it looks like it's ribbed. And most of like all the RWSs that I've ever came across, to include the R10s, are all like smooth inside. So there's like, these will be smooth. I don't know if the camera can see that. Apologize. I'm not any type of YouTube expert here. So H&Ns, this can focus. Okay, you can see kind of like ribbed, I guess, when they swage it, whereas RWSs are smoother. And then I'll even show you like an R10. So same thing. These look a lot like the Meisterkugelns. And you could always tell they're pistol pellets because one, the tin, but you could tell that the skirt just looks thicker if you compare them to the rifle pellets. And these are also smooth skirted. So H&Ns are the only ones that have the ribbed that I've seen. And here's, again, these are H&Ns. The older H&Ns, they have this little paper. And you can see that those have that ribbed texture. And so I think they still really have the same mold. They might have changed the red composition or the lead composition, but they shoot good. These old ones shoot just as good as the new ones in my guns. These are good ones too. I really like these Chinese QYS pellets, wad cutters. Again, they're very clean, and I don't think I've ever found any that were all damaged or, lots of flaws or anything. And yeah, they shoot really well, group nice. And then I think I have, what else did I grab? Oh, these, to be honest with you, I have not had good luck with these. I wish these shot well, but for some reason, my gun just does not like these. And I wanted to give them the benefit of the doubt, but here, look at this. So one thing, it is packaged nice. Like, everything seems to be very professionally marked. It's made in the USA, which is awesome. I wanted these to be so good, but unfortunately, no. But I think the best thing still is the packaging. So it has like a foam liner. But I mean, if you look at these, there's so many flaws. Like, this is still pretty much a brand new tin, but look at the skirt. Like, look at all the flaws on these. And these are so-called match grade. I got these on the CMP store. They were a very good price, but I can't believe like this would pass QA. I mean, look at that. And I bought a whole sleeve of these, and every single one of them looks like that. And they shoot like just garbage. And a 300S usually isn't very picky on most pellets, and it does not like these. So I can't even shoot these offhand because, I mean, normally when I shoot offhand, it looks like a shotgun anyway, but these even fly crazier. So I'm sorry, but these were great just shooting cans with, unfortunately, but I'm really disappointed in these. But yeah, so back to these. I can't wait to try them out. These look very promising, and it seems a little expensive in my opinion, because their initial price is about the same or even more than like R10s, and R10s have been around for a while, and these I think have won medals. So I better have some good results with these, because yeah, to charge that much, they better perform, and they probably do. But I just don't like how expensive pellets seem to get now. And it seems like just recently they've just went up and up and up. But either way, yep, if you like 10 meter, go try some. Hopefully you get some good luck with them. And that's all for now.